Brook Restoration has now become the largest restoration firm in Ontario. We have 77 current projects that are active and running.
Yeah, before we went with On Track, we lost a lot of power tools. When you lose 171 power tools in 1 year, it's a lot of money.
So On Track allows our customers to locate their assets on different job sites, keep track of their health and safety certificates for their employees, as well as maintenance and services for all of their assets and large equipment.
Since we switched to On Track, we've only lost 3 out of over 1,000 tools, which is a substantial savings for us.
We have a first-class relationship with Hilti. The support service is fantastic.
Hilti is a company that is definitely committed to innovation. Bluetooth has definitely improved the productivity for the customers.
It's a very simple process to use the app. With the Bluetooth system, you can just put a tag on it, stick it on, match up the serial number with the tag number. You can just walk in a room, everything will appear on your phone because it will connect through the Bluetooth.
It does save us a lot of time, and that time it saves us, we end up producing more, bringing production to the company and money in their pocket.
Downtime costs us a lot of money. If we have 15, 20, 30 guys sitting on a job site waiting while tools are being scanned, that's 20 or 30 guys at an hour's job, an hour's rate. We're losing every single day.
They have to find opportunities to become more productive, and really the easiest way to do that is sort of digitizing the company, like systems like On Track.
So in terms of Bluetooth scanning and the simplicity of it, it's simple as opening the Hilti On Track app, selecting their job site, doing a check inventory, and scanning. It's as simple as walking around.
Oh, it makes our jobs a lot easier because you can use it to identify items, to see where they've been, what site they came from, when they went there, and when they came back. Identifying who's responsible for all the tools, so we have complete accountability.
In terms of future growth for On Track, it will allow us to track certifications and licenses and training certificates, be preemptive on when expires come up so we can schedule training ahead of time.
The biggest differentiator that Hilti On Track has is the fact that we'll physically go out and tag your assets and upload the data, and nobody else is doing that.
On Track, as for peace of mind, has been a substantial part of our life for the last 3 years.
I'd recommend it to any construction company. We're tracking all the equipment and it's saving you money.